Introducing the Robotic Capper from Eascan Automation, the ultimate solution to enhance efficiency, precision, and productivity. This innovative system integrates seamlessly into your production line, ensuring every cap is placed and secured perfectly. The collaborative robot performs with pinpoint accuracy, picking up the cap, locating the jug's opening, placing the cap, and tightening it securely. No spills, no errors, just consistent results every time. Ideal for the chemical or food and beverage industries, the Robotic Capper adapts effortlessly to your production needs. Its smart design respects your filler cycle time, syncing seamlessly with your existing processes to maintain optimal productivity. With the Robotic Capper, you'll reduce waste, minimize downtime, and improve overall production quality. Free your workforce for other critical tasks and empower your team to focus on growth and innovation. The Robotic Capper, precision, reliability, and productivity in one intelligent system. Transform your business with Eascan Automation today.